Hey guys, this is Ms. Ship back again, talking about angles in and outside of circles. So far we've talked about the vertex of the angle being at the center of a circle, which is your central angle. And we've talked about the vertex being on the circle, which is your inscribed angle. We said that a central angle equals the measure of the arc. We said that an inscribed angle equals 1/2 of the arc measure. So now we're going to talk about what happens if it's inside, what happens if it's outside. If it's inside the circle, that's good. So we're going to remember to add, meaning we're going to add the two intercepted arcs and divide by 2. So looking at this particular figure, we want to find the measure of angle ABC. So let's come up with an example. If ED is 40 and AC is 50, the measure of this angle is going to be 1/2 of 40 plus 50. So 1/2 of 90, which would be 45 degrees. What happens if the vertex is outside? Well, that's bad. So we're going to subtract. Same concept. It's 1/2 of the intercepted arc minus the smaller intercepted arc. Let's look at an example of each. So let's look at number 3 on this page. I want to find the measure of angle 1. Vertex is inside. That's good, because we want to be inside when it rains. So 55 plus 65. 110. 1/2 of that just kidding, 120, can't add, is 60 degrees. So this measure is 60 degrees. And so is this one. All right, let's look at an example like, say number 6. I want to find N. N is outside. That's bad. So we need to look at all the arcs. Now we have all 4 arcs here, but we only need the intercepted ones. So we're looking at 80 and we're looking at 35. So how do we know that it's not 35 minus 80? Well, because we subtract the smaller from the bigger. So it's 80 minus 35 divided by 2. 80 minus 35 gives us 45. Divide by 2, and we have 22.5. That's the measure of angle N. So I'd like to see you try these other 4 problems, as well as these 4. Now, scroll back up to the slide we began with. As a reminder, inside the circle is 1/2 of the 2 arcs added together. Outside the circle is 1/2 of the bigger arc minus the smaller arc.